Hello and welcome to AEC Workbench. This is a channel that started out as a Dynamo channel, but my interests have changed, and so I decided to change this to AEC Workbench. And what does that mean to you? Well, you can unsubscribe if you don't want to watch my content, but if you want to watch my content, then, you know, have at it. But what I'm interested in these days is 3D printing, IoT, and whatever else comes to mind when it comes to data in the AEC industry. I'm thinking about creating a series for you that will show you how you can create a Raspberry Pi from scratch and create some IoT devices to talk to that Raspberry Pi. So let me know if you're interested in that kind of content. If I get some feedback down there in the comments, I will be happy to create that content for you. Let me know, and hopefully, I will see you again real soon.